Hey there, Mama to Be! Thinking about hitting the road or catching a flight before your little bundle arrives? Well, you're in the right place because I've got some game-changing pregnancy travel hacks just for you. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about timing. The sweet spot for traveling during pregnancy is the second trimester. That's between weeks 14 and 28. Morning sickness is usually fading away, and you're not yet feeling like you swallowed a watermelon. Perfect time to jet set. Now, packing smart is key. You'll want to bring along a small pillow for extra back support. And don't forget those compression socks. They help prevent swelling and improve circulation on long flights. Trust me, your feet will thank you. Next hack, hydration is your best friend. Always carry a refillable water bottle. Airports and gas stations usually have water fountains so you can stay hydrated without breaking the bank. Plus, staying hydrated can help with those annoying leg cramps. Speaking of comfort, dress in layers. Airports, airplanes, and cars can have unpredictable temperatures. Layering helps you stay comfy, no matter where you are or how the weather changes. And let's be honest, comfort is queen right now. Alright, let's chat about breaks. Whether you're driving or flying, make sure to take frequent breaks. Stretch those legs and move around every couple of hours. This keeps your blood flowing and prevents stiffness. Plus, it's a great excuse to grab a snack. Next tip, snack attack. Always have healthy snacks on hand. Think nuts, fruit, and granola bars. These will keep your energy up and help with any sudden hunger pangs. And let's face it, nobody wants to deal with a hangry mom-to-be. And here's a golden nugget. Choose your seat wisely. If you're flying, book an aisle seat. This gives you easy access for those frequent bathroom trips and leg stretches. If you're driving, sit in the front seat for more legroom. Either way, aim for maximum comfort. Lastly, don't forget to relax and enjoy the journey. Traveling can be stressful, but it's also a wonderful opportunity to create memories before your new adventure begins. So take a deep breath, smile, and embrace the ride. So there you have it. Now you're all set to travel like a pro during pregnancy. Remember, these hacks are designed to keep you comfy, happy, and safe. Thanks for watching, and happy travels, Mama to Be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more awesome tips. Take care and see you next time. And one more thing, always consult with your healthcare provider before making any travel plans. They can give you personalized advice based on your specific health needs and pregnancy progress. Safe travels.